Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on drawing, anime, manga, and cartoons, figure drawing. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a female character head in a 3/4 view. So we'll start with what's really an easy and simple shape, not complicated, like so. It can be sloppy, doesn't matter. And now we're going to bring the eye line here, and it's kind of low on the face. So we're going to start with the two eyelids, tops and bottoms, kind of bracket everything in. And we're just going to leave them sort of undone. No real fancy stuff for the eyelashes. Let's just get everything else in place first. So we'll bring the nose here, just indicate a little nose. We'll bring this cheek area out and then slant it in, with an angle in. Like that. Bring the jaw up behind the eye. Doesn't go all the way back, so you've got to bring it in here. The neck coming up to the back of the head. And just before the chin, front of the neck. A short little eyebrow on this side, and a little longer eyebrow on the near side. Now let's bring the bangs out in front. And let's make them uneven. Round it off to here and then straight back. You can put an ear back here and have some hair for the ear. Like that, and a little bit of lashes going back like this. Not too many. Right, now let's take our pen and give this a try. Try to do it both at the same time. So if I'm doing the top eyelid on one, then I go and I do the top eyelid on the other. It makes it a lot easier than finishing one completely and trying to duplicate it on the other side. Okay, so let's make this a nice oval, not a circle. Some are circles, not this particular character, but there are a lot of popular characters and the eyes are completely circular. Like so. Let's add a little shading on top. This light source comes from the top, and shadow hits the eye. I'm going to bring some lashes off the top. Like that. A little smile, just a little smile. And here is that short eyebrow and a slightly longer eyebrow. Now try to be careful with this round part here. This is a part that makes the character kind of pleasing. It's a soft, fluid line, and it brings you into the character, so you want to make sure that looks good. Couple of random dots here for lower eyelashes, and I'll bring the ear up here, which is mainly covered. Here's a partial earring. Here are some strands of hair going straight down. And on the other side too, of course. Always even them out. A little bit of shadow right here under the chin. A little bit of a crease here for the upper eye. And now we're going to have those uneven bangs. I like the uneven look. Just looks like it's, it's not so planned. It's a lot more spontaneous type character. I also like to make the hair on the top just a little bit random. But of course, that's just a suggestion. We've all seen artists who do it, and wonderful jobs, and other ways too. You have to choose what works for you, but here are some suggestions that you certainly can follow. Oh, there we go. So there is your simple manga character in a 3/4 view. Thank you for watching. You can pick up my books on how to draw manga or anime in all the stores: Barnes & Noble, Amazon, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and Joann's, all booksellers. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.